We are discussing questions on intercept form and normal form. Intercept form, most of the questions we have done. Now we have normal form. Normal form was what? If this is the line whose equation we are finding, a perpendicular drawn from the origin to the line at a distance p and is making an angle alpha with x-axis, then equation of this line will be x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p, is the equation of the line. This was your normal form. Normal means perpendicular form, right? Then we have a question. He said obtain perpendicular form if p is 5 and alpha is 60. So we have x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p. So directly we can have x cos 60 y sin 60 is equal to 5. Cos 60 is your 1 by 2 and sin 60 is root 3 by 2 is equal to 5. So we got x plus root 3y is equal to 10 minus 10 is equal to 0 is your equation of the line, right? Find the equation of line whose perpendicular distance from origin is 8. Perpendicular distance is 8. Angle between x-axis and that perpendicular is 120 degree. Now see, this will be your line whose perpendicular distance is making angle 120 degree with x-axis in positive direction. Angle between that perpendicular and axis is 120 degree. So alpha is 120 degree and this is 8 units. As p is 8 and alpha is 120, cos alpha, as we know the concept now that cos 180 minus 60, 180 means cos will remain cos, second quadrant, 180 minus theta means second quadrant. In second quadrant your cos is negative, so it is minus 1 by 2. Find sin 120, that is sin 180 minus 60, sin 60, and 180 minus theta, second quadrant sin is positive, so value is root 3 by 2. And our result is x cos 120 plus y sin alpha, that is 120, is equal to p, that is p is given 8. So we got x cos 120 is minus 1 by 2 and y sin 120 is root 3 by 2 and p is given what? 8. So minus x plus root 3y is equal to 16. X minus root 3y plus 16 is equal to 0 is your equation. Write it down.